Hey, what's up, guys? So, today we are ready with our project after a long 1 month, and we're gonna run you through it and let's see what all modules make Coco the perfect cab companion. So, as you can see, this is the camera module that will be used to recognize the users entering into the cabs. So, they'll be identified and then they'll be entered into the database. Over here you can see is a RFID card reader. It basically checks for the card and makes an entry into the database. And what else is there? Yeah, so as you can see, we have over here, we just read the card and then this is entered. And this blue thing, it's a GPS module. It basically logs the timestamp and the address of the person entering into the cab or leaving the cab. So over here you can see the GPS antenna. It is required to receive the signals, and unfortunately it requires 3 satellites seeing it all over the place to receive the signals, and because it's inside the building, so we won't be receiving the signal, so that's why this won't be shown in the video. What else we have here? Yeah, this is the microphone module, and one interesting thing about this project is that it's completely voice controlled. Because on the car dashboard you won't have any screen for any interaction, so this is completely voice controlled, and we're gonna relay this response from the Pi via these speakers, so it's gonna guide you through each and every step by proper voice commands. So let's see this project working. And as you can see that we are using our own mobile phone to provide internet over here, so we're gonna suffer a small lag because of this. Hey Janam, by the way.
Wake me up by saying Coco.
Coco.
How can I help you?
Read card.
Starting card reader. Please wait.
Yeah, so you can see that he just gave a command to read card, and this device, basically Coco, she read the card, and as you can see, she actually connected to a server hosted over another machine that's here and logged the entry into the server. So this is how the entry is made by this.
Wake me up by saying Coco.
Yeah, you can see this last line, employee ID plus the location. Right now we are using a dummy location because we are inside the building, so we can't get the GPS module, and the time was there. Okay, so this is how the entries will be logged. Yeah, so now he's gonna test the word meaning feature given by Coco.
Apple.
Yeah, that's a difficult one, but okay, whatever sails your boat.
With red or yellow or green skin and sweet to tart, crisp whitish flesh.
Well, thanks Janam. Now I know what really an apple is. Now we're gonna use the exit command to exit this interface.
Exit.
I beg your pardon.
Exit.
Bye.
Hey, it's okay Janam, she's gonna come back. So what else can she do? She can tell you a joke, read you the news bulletin, or just help you out with the word meaning. And you can add more features to her just like that.
Wake me up by saying Coco.
Yeah.
Coco.
And yeah, she can tell you a word's meaning as well.
News.
And let's see what are the headlines of today.
We're moving forward with this relationship. The idea is to put the events of 2017 behind us. An Indian government source involved in China policy said.
Okay, so do you want to hear a joke?
Joke.
The best thing about a Boolean is even if you are wrong, you are only off by a bit. Ha 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 ha.
Well, we must admit, she is funnier than both of us combined.
Exit.
I beg your pardon.
Exit.
Yeah, so sometimes because of
Fine.
the ambient noise, she's not able to hear the command. So he says, okay, I beg your pardon. Then you need to repeat the words again. Okay, so these were some of the additional features, and yeah, we have bit more of them, which we're gonna show you tomorrow in the demo. So stay tight.